everyone, I am Freya, Solution Manager at Xgrids. If you're working in reality capture, the following probably hits home. You scan all day, get back to your desk, open the file, and the points are patchy, the floors are tilted, and the edges are mush, unusable. Sometimes you even have to head back out and rescan everything. What we really need is point cloud data that's accurate, structurally precise, true in color, and properly leveled. That's the bar we set for LixelStudio 4.0. For algorithm upgrades, serve one goal: engineering grade data you can trust. Enough talk, let's look at the results. First up, coloring. The new algorithm delivers photorealistic point cloud color. Vivid, even, true to what you saw on site. Low light isn't a problem neither. Basements, parking garages, places where structural detail used to vanish into the dark can now be replicated clearly. Paired with our Lexel upsample algorithm, and the details goes even further. Check this out. Have you ever scanned a QR code from a point cloud? That's the level of detail we're talking about. So when you're tracing point clouds to draft floor plans or elevations, accurate color makes materials and boundaries obvious at a glance. No guesswork, just draw. Next, leveling. Anyone who's drafted interior plans knows this pain. If your base plan is even slightly off, everything downstream falls apart. Walls, floors, ceiling heights, all corrected one by one and by hand. Slow, tedious, and completely avoidable. With 4.0, horizontal stays horizontal, vertical stays vertical. Watch this horizontal slice cutting down layer by layer. The leveling improvement is right there in front of you. And here's a 24-story building captured with Auto Pro, plumb, top to bottom, minimal drift. To turn this on, just toggle high precision optimization in your processing settings. Right now, it's tuned for indoor structure scenes processed with relative coordinates. Next up, filtering. There's a common issue in point cloud processing today, and it's not that filters are too weak, but too aggressive. You've seen this. The noise is gone, but the railing went with it. The filter can't tell which is which. Our approach is AI filtering. We strip out noise and trailing artifacts while preserving the structural detail. For trickier scenes like utility corridors and railings, we build dedicated filterings that targets the trailing noise between the structure without touching the structures themselves. What you get is a clean point cloud, easier to measure and to draft. And clean input means clean output, which takes us straight to mesh. Mesh in 4.0 improves on two fronts. On structure, better noise resistance, fewer holes, much less sticking. Fine details that used to clump into a blur now separate with sharp outlines. On texture, the coloring upgrade I mentioned earlier feeds straight into mesh texture mapping. Cleaner, sharper, closer to life. On top of the algorithm work, we've also overhauled the user interface, the tools you reach for every day. 3D clipping, slicing, measurement, all rebuilt to be faster and more intuitive. Less clicking, less guessing, more time doing actual work. We've put everything 4.0 brings to the best across real-world scenarios. Engineering-grade data, ready to use the moment processing finishes. That's LixelStudio 4.0. Head to xgrids.com to download and try it, and drop us your feedback. See you next time!